A gate in an old city would probably be, usually is, one of the busiest places in town because everything comes and goes through this place. You have to have someone to take care of the currency if you have to far away to change the money. The beggars will probably be here, and because we're near town,